Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve sixth question in exercise 7.2. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So let's mark these points in a diagram since they're taken in order in a parallelogram. So first let's draw a parallelogram. I'm marking these vertices as A, B, C and D. Now let's mark the vertices of A. This is going to be 1, 2. B's vertex is 4, y. C is x, 6 and D is 3, 5. We are supposed to find out the values of x and y. Most important property of parallelogram is that the diagonals bisect each other, meaning the midpoint of AC and the midpoint of BD will be the same. I'm marking this particular point as O for reference and I'm writing its coordinates using A, B. I'm using this variable because you already have a x and y given here as unknown. So let's write the midpoint formula once. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now let's write according to BD's midpoint formula. So O is going to be equal to 4 plus 3 by 2, 5 plus y by 2. So this is 7 by 2, 5 plus y by 2. This is the definition of O because O is the midpoint of BD. Now let's write out the definition of O again because it is a midpoint of AC. So it is 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. So this is going to be 1 plus x by 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. So actually this is the same O which has these two different coordinates. So we can start to compare. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Since the denominator is the same, directly compare. 1 plus x is equal to 7, which means x is equal to 6. Now let's do the same thing for the y coordinate. So 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 4, which means 5 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 3. Please ensure that you write the property of the parallelogram and why we are using it in such manner before you proceed to write the midpoint formula. In the next video, we will see how to solve the seventh question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.